Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to update Viber on your Android phone. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll want to locate and open the Play Store application on your Android device. This is Google's official app marketplace where all your apps are managed and updated. Once the Play Store opens, direct your attention to the bottom of the screen where you'll see several navigation options. At the bottom of the screen, tap on the search icon. This will activate the search functionality and allow you to find specific apps quickly rather than browsing through categories. The search feature is essential for locating apps efficiently, especially when you know exactly what you're looking for. Next, you'll notice the search bar appears at the top of your screen. Tap directly on this search bar to bring up your keyboard. Once the keyboard appears, type in Viber. As you type, you might see suggestions appear below the search bar, but make sure you complete typing the full app name for accurate results. After typing Viber, you'll see search results appear on your screen. Look through the results and tap on the official Viber app. You'll recognize it by the purple icon with the white phone symbol and the name Viber Messenger. Make sure you're selecting the correct app from the developer Viber Media, as this ensures you're updating the legitimate application. Once you tap on Viber, you'll be taken to the apps page within the Play Store. Here you'll see various information about the app, including screenshots, descriptions, and reviews. However, your focus should be on the button at the top of the page. If an update is available, you'll see a button that says Update instead of Open. Go ahead and tap the Update button to begin the process. After tapping Update, the download and installation process will start automatically. You'll see a progress bar indicating how much of the update has been downloaded and installed. This might take anywhere from a few seconds to a couple of minutes depending on the size of the update and your internet connection speed. The Play Store handles everything automatically, so there's no need for any additional input from you during this time. And that's it, your Viber app is now updated to the latest version with all the newest features and security improvements. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.